Welcome guys. Let's do Polkadot technical analysis and price prediction. So please watch this video until end and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join me on Telegram and Twitter, links are in this video's description. And please watch this video complete because in this video I am going to show you my new charts and targets. And if you want to get these bonuses, Manet $710 bonus, Freemax $1200 bonus, Bybit $3500 bonus, KuCoin $100 bonus, and Huobi $170 bonus. Just go to in this video's description or comment section where you can get these links. Click on these links and create your account and grab $5,680 bonus, which is absolutely free. You can trade with this bonus. Just deposit and trade with trade with this bonus only, and put away your seed money, and that is risk-free strategy. Let's dive into the content. This is 4-hourly USD pair chart, and it is at $45 price level. After creating top at $55 price, it is now at $45 price. It is in this descending wedge, and it is at major support level, which is very important to hold for Polkadot. And if it broke this, in that case it can go down to $41 price zone. This is very important, but it is in this descending wedge and this is a bullish pattern. Once it broke this trend line, in that case our target will be like this. This will be our first target, and our second target will be like this. This will be our second target, but before this we have to wait for this breakout. And if unfortunately it break towards downside, in that case $41 is a strong support for this. Let me please show you some indicators. First of all, volume is missing, very low volume. After that, let me please show you EMA ribbon. Candles are below from this EMA ribbon, and that is not good sign. Once candle closing above $49 price zone, 4-hourly 2 or 3 candles closing above $49 price zone, this will be the signal that price can go up. Otherwise we may see some sideways action in Polkadot price and chart. Let me please show you RSI. RSI is at 35 and it is very bearish. I think price definitely have to move towards upside after hitting 30 zone. And here you can see this is MACD crossover towards upside is going to happen, and towers are changing their color, and that is a good sign. Once crossover happen, in that case price definitely will boost, and after that we may see these targets $49 and $55. These are two major targets of this pattern and in this chart. Let me please show you my second chart. This is daily chart, and here you can see this is main trend line. This is the horizontal resistance is at $55 price zone, and this is the main support line, also is at $45 price zone. Main trend line is also is at $45 price zone, and after that next support zone is at $36 price zone. This area is very important to hold. It have to hold this area. Once Polkadot hold this area, in that case we may see that kind of action, and after that price can easily hit this like this, and it can hit $54 price zone. And if unfortunately Polkadot close daily candle below this zone, in that case there is a this zone is very important. If Polkadot close daily candle below this zone, in that case price can retest $36 or maybe $40 price zone. $41 to $40 price zone is very important. And once Polkadot broke this $54 price zone, in that case next target is $60. I'm going to show you next targets later. Let me please show you some indicators. First of all, volume is missing. We need strong volume. After that, EMA ribbon. Here you can see EMA candles are in between this EMA ribbon, and that is a good sign. And this EMA ribbon is a great and strong support, and it is now at starting from this $41 to $47 price zone. Once daily candle closing above 47 means it is ready to hit 54, maybe $60 very soon. We have to wait. Let me please show you RSI. RSI is at 48 and it is below 50. It have to cross 50, otherwise maybe price can go down. And MACD crossover, daily crossover towards downside, and big red towers means price can further go down, but it have to hold $40 price zone is very important. $45 price zone, sorry, is very important to hold. And let me please show you my main indicator, which I trust very much. Let me please show you. This is the main CPR indicator, and here you can see these yellow lines are main supportive line for this CPR indicator, main lines of this CPR indicator. And here you can see CPR first bullish target hit by Polkadot. This is monthly CPR, and first bullish target was this zone, $49 price zone. And after that, second bullish target of this month is $57 price zone, and third bullish target is at this zone, $67 price zone. These are very important bullish targets, and Polkadot can hit these targets within some days. And if Polkadot rejected and broke this box and downtrend line, in that case there is a good spot is at $41 price zone because of this CPR support zone. This is very important and strong spot for the Polkadot. Guys, this is my technical analysis. I hope you like this and you like my targets. If you like this, then please support this channel, like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel, and please keep supporting me always. And if you want to get these bonuses, $5,680 bonus, Manen $710 bonus, Primex $1,200 bonus, Bybit $3,500 bonus, KuCoin $100 bonus, and Huobi $170 bonus. These bonuses are absolutely free. Just go to in this video's comment section or in this video's description where you can get these links. Click on these links and create your account and deposit. And after deposit, you can get these bonuses which are absolutely free, and these bonuses are tradable. Just put your seed money away and trade with this free money and earn free profit. This is zero risk trading strategy. I hope you like this, and thanks in advance. Thanks for watching this video, and these are the targets. Note down these targets, and these are very important targets and important zones for Polkadot. Thanks for the watching, and always keep supporting me. Take care.